Hi guys and welcome back to CC Investing. My name is Chester and today I'm here to give you a US30 update. Going to be starting off here on the daily. As you can see here, we have got a nice big giant falling wedge chart pattern coming through. US30 currently trading around 30,986. As you can see, we do have a low set in here around 30,592, a previous low, which could really be acting as a level of support if we do see these bearish candles continue, right? If we do see these bearish candles continue, I would be looking for some sort of bounce of support coming through. We see a nice long leg doji there, a bounce of level of support around 30,638. We do have a lovely 10 simple moving average here on the daily as well to be looking out for there. It is a giant falling wedge, guys. Giant falling wedges. All falling wedges, they tend to usually break to the upside. So the measure move that we could be looking for here, still speculatively speaking, is going to be something along the lines of this. We're going to be clearing the 50 moving average there as well. In terms of percentages there for the US30, we're going to see potentially around a 6.24% there. I know it's pretty unlikely at this time with the world markets, but that is the TA move that that the chart pattern is playing out there. Now, if that isn't going to happen and we do see us breaking lows there, the level of support that we do have here for the US30 is going to be something along the lines of this here on the lower side of this wedge, and this is going to be lower prices around 29,400, 300, 200. This sort of area is definitely the area that I really would be looking for here. But let's jump down, deep down and dirty into the lower term timeframes and see if we can get any sort of position coming through. Oh no, I did just want to talk about a potential for a bearish divergence, I do believe, coming through here on the US30 as well here on the RSI. As you can see, we do have a high set in here around 55 and then also another high coming through here as well. As you can see, we have seen this isn't coming to fruition as of yet, but if we do see a big pump coming through for the US30, even up to around this sort of area here around 31,900, if we do see that, we will see a considerable rise here for the RSI and we will break this high, guys. If we break this high, we will actually see a bearish divergence coming through because we won't be breaking the high here in terms of the price here all the way up around 33. So we will see a bearish divergence coming through there. Let me change those lines so it's a bit more visually appealing. Going to be seeing something along the lines of this, guys. So yeah, definitely something to be looking out for there. As we know, that tends to usually mean reversal to the downside, right? So yeah, definitely an area to be looking out for there. If that is going to come into fruition, I'd say it would be on the 50 moving average and on the top side of this falling wedge, right? So it is sort of saying that we probably will reject again from here if we do take a leg up coming through, right? But yeah, that's going to be the US30 on the daily. Let's jump to the hourly and see what we got coming through on the hourly, because some more interesting stuff coming through there. Let's have a little look. I might even jump even further down. We'll jump to the 15-minute, and as you can see, we are dealing with this price range coming through from here, guys. We are dealing with this price range. You can see the level of resistance that we are seeing on the top side multiple times here, just trending in this parallel channel coming through like so. You could do a falling, a broadening wedge or something along the lines of that, but I'm favoring this chart pattern as of now, and then having this as like spillage. If we do break down here, I would be looking at using these candle body closes and also these wicks as potential take profits here. So yeah, definitely a few things to be looking out for there. If we do break down, and if we do break up here, guys, or down, we'll do some measure moves. Let's have a little look. If we do break up here, it's going to be around a 0.27% move there, and also to the downside, we could be looking at something along the lines of this. And that is going to be a move to the downside of around, nothing too crazy, guys, nothing too crazy, 0.26 as well. Obviously, parallel channel, both sort of the same, right? Now, as you can see, guys, let's look at the RSI ever so quickly, because that's interesting. Let's look at the RSI ever so quickly, because we are seeing we are having a bit of lag, right? So bear with me a second. As you can see, we have seen a bullish divergence coming through, guys. And this is a classic example of a lovely breakout of a chart pattern and then bullish divergence forming and throwing the price back up really aggressively, right? And that is why we do have, we stagger those take profits coming through. And the bullish divergence that I am talking about here, as you can see, we have broke that low there. But unfortunately here on the RSI, we didn't break that low, right? So as you can see, bullish divergence coming through. But yeah, that's going to be your update on the US30, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash a like on the video. It does help me out tremendously. And I am continuously producing content here for CC Investing. So if you do like the content, you know what to do. Press the sub button. But for now, it's going to be peace out and goodbye from me, CC Investing.